In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do conditional formatting based on other cells here in Google Sheets. So we have an example dataset right here where I want to highlight the customer's name if they've had a total purchase of over $20,000. How do we do that? First, we're going to do a logical test to see which of these total purchases are over $20,000. We're going to start with our equal sign, select our cell reference, put in greater than, and our amount of 20,000. For press enter, we get a false for our first row. If we drag this formula down, we get some trues and some falses. So we want to highlight these trues in our customer name column. So what we're going to do is to select our column right here, which we want to format based on our trues and false right here. Go to format and select conditional formatting. We have our range and our format rule at the moment is not empty. Now, in order to create our own format rule, we're going to go to custom formula is. And right here, we're going to paste the formula that we've used right here, copy that and paste. And right now you'll see that we have highlighted those trues in our customer name column. We can change the color, let's say blue, and done. So even if we delete this, it will not affect our dataset and our conditional format. So let's try that again, and this time we want to see how many products have been purchased with a quantity of over or equal to 200. So let's do that by doing another logical test. Start with your equal sign, put in your cell reference. So the format of this column will be based on the quantity. So if the quantity is over or equal to 200, it will be highlighted. So that's going to be a false for the first row. If we drag this down, again, we have some falses and some trues. Now we go to our column, select that range, go to format, select conditional formatting. We're going to copy again this formula right here. Go to format rules, select custom formula is, paste in your formula, select another color if you want to, and click on done. And now we have highlighted those products that have been purchased in the quantity of 200 or more. So if we delete this, again, it will not affect our dataset or our conditional formatting, and that's how to do conditional formatting based on other cells here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.